Hey there, in this video we will demo how to track code coverage in real time. So here is an example again. This code defines a method called filterEligibleCustomers. It takes a list of customer profile objects and a boolean parameter called asiaFlow. It filters and returns a list of eligible customers based on a certain criteria. If asiaFlow is true, it calculates a bonus for each customer based on their referral codes and address, and then calculates a score using a function CalculateScoreForCustomer. Customers with a score above a certain cutoff value, in this case Asia cutoff, are added to the list of eligible customers. But if asiaFlow is false, the bonus is calculated differently, and customers with a score above a different cutoff value, in this case international cutoff, are considered eligible. Now let's test this function with direct invoke and see the relevant code highlights. Let me pass a list of customers and asiaFlow as true. You can see that the code traverse is highlighted in cyan. You can also see the potential jump in code coverage if you save this replay. Now let's pass another list of customer, and this time asiaFlow as false. See the potential jump in coverage with the inputs we just passed. You can review the overall progress in the coverage tab. Unlocked instantly highlights the code traversed and help you manage tech debt. When we replay, we may not always have downstream services, external APIs or DB connections available. So in our next video, we are going to see how you can implement mocking while replaying. Till then, cheers and happy coding.